Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by positioning yourself with a clear view of the sky. You want the iPhone's antenna unobstructed. Make sure your iPhone 14 runs the latest iOS and that emergency SOS via satellite is enabled in settings. Once ready, press and hold the side button plus a volume button to bring up the power and SOS options. Tap Emergency SOS via satellite and follow the on-screen prompt. This initiates the connection process and explains what information you'll share. After tapping to start, you'll be guided to point the iPhone toward a moving dot, align using the on-screen arrows and haptic cues. You must answer immediate, simple questions. Keep replies short so data transmits quickly over limited bandwidth. If the system asks, provide your location or injuries succinctly. Type only critical details. Once connected, the phone sends your location, device ID, and any medical ID info. This helps dispatchers prioritize and prepare for your situation. When the message goes through, you'll receive a confirmation and contact from emergency services. Keep the phone pointed at the sky and follow any dispatcher instructions. If the connection drops, move to a clearer patch of sky, remove metal or thick cases, and retry. Wait 30 to 60 seconds between attempts so the satellite link can reinitialize. If satellite attempts repeatedly fail and you have cellular or Wi-Fi calling, make a traditional emergency call as a fallback. This ensures help is still alerted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.